How do you estimate the cost of a construction project? Well, this is a great question, and I wanted to make this video to explain how we do it here in the 1070 Architecture Studio, and maybe you can take some of this advice and apply it to your own project. Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is that as a design is being prepared, it goes through a series of stages. And in these stages, it moves from a conceptual idea, which is very loose, to a set of construction drawings, which is very tight and should have almost everything explained. In this office, we use a 4-phase process. But generally, in phase 1 or 2, we're looking at construction cost in terms of a price per square foot analysis. So if you're looking to do a 100 square foot addition, we're looking at this in terms of 100 square feet multiplied by a price per square foot. As you move through the design and the conceptual idea, which is loose, becomes more solidified into an actual hardline drawing, which could then be extrapolated into a series of building materials, then you can start to explore the construction cost from the material standpoint. So there's almost like 2 steps of estimating this. There's the price per square foot explanation of understanding construction cost, and then there's the actual material understanding of construction cost. And you have to move through the initial schematic stage to get to the more hardlined construction drawing stage where everything is engineered and explained. So the next question you probably have is, how much are we estimating on a per square foot basis? And this is a little bit of a vague conversation because it should be vague in the schematic design stage. But right now in 2020, we're using $250 a square foot to estimate our project costs. And when I say $250 a square foot, this is in San Diego in 2021, sort of at the back end of this pandemic when construction has increased. In 2019, we were using $200 a square foot, but everything has gone up in price since then. And now $250 a square foot is your entry-level pricing. Now, this pricing does not include architectural or engineering fees or permit fees. It's just your hard costs of construction. Now, if you're looking to do a project which is going to be featured in Architectural Digest or Dwell Magazine, you're going to pay more per square foot for that project. So you can look at $250 a square foot as just your entry-level pricing. And at $250 a square foot, you're picking your materials from the bottom price tiers. And in certain cases, the price is making the decision for you, because you may not be able to go with the giant retractable door system in that price range. These are features of the home that would tick up the price from $250 a square foot. So I think that's a great skeleton for understanding how to estimate cost as you approach a project, especially a residential project like this in San Diego in 2021. Start to use a price per square foot and then slowly move away from that price per square foot into an actual material cost. And then you'll be able to sort of close in on that construction cost that you're looking for.